Mercedes-Benz has begun the process of mass deployment of humanoid robots at its factory in Berlin. The Marienfelde plant has been home to the Mercedes-Benz Digital Factory campus since the year 2022, a hub for the company's innovations. This is where new technologies are tested before being scaled to other facilities. Now Mercedes-Benz is upgrading this system by integrating humanoid robots named Apollo from the American company Apptronik into the production process for the first time. Unlike stationary industrial robots that perform repetitive tasks in a fixed location, Apollo can move freely across production areas and handle various types of tasks, accelerating manufacturing processes. The robots are already being tested in logistics, component transportation, and quality inspection. The use of augmented reality technologies and remote control enables training the robots to operate in real manufacturing environments. In the future, Apollo robots will work autonomously, marking a breakthrough in the implementation of flexible robotic systems. Nvidia has released a software brain for the humanoid robots of the future called Isaac GR00T N1. This is an open and customizable artificial intelligence model designed to assist in the development of robotic humanoids. During a presentation at the GTC 2025, the company showcased the humanoid robot Fourier GR1, which demonstrated a range of complex actions, made possible by the N1 model with post-training. Now such robots can learn complex tasks much faster, making it easier for companies to integrate them into their projects. According to Nvidia, the slow-thinking system of GR00T N1 allows the robot to perceive and reason about its environment and instructions, then plan the correct actions. As for the fast-thinking system, it translates the planned steps into robotic actions, including multi-step object manipulation. The company states that the future of humanoid robots lies in adaptability and learning. The Nvidia GR00T N1 model has delivered a major breakthrough in robotic reasoning and skills. Chinese engineers continue to amaze the world. The Chinese company Xpeng, known for its innovations in the field of electric vehicles and artificial intelligence technologies, introduced its latest humanoid robot named Iron a few months ago, promising to revolutionize the entire robotics industry. This robot is designed to replace humans in factories, construction sites, mass production, and many other fields. It can also be used in homes to assist people with household tasks. The height and weight of the robot are 178 centimeters and 70 kilograms, matching the proportions of an average adult human. The robot is equipped with 62 movable joints, providing high flexibility and maneuverability, allowing it to imitate human movements such as standing, sitting, and lying down. It features highly precise manipulators that enable it to perform tasks requiring fine motor skills, such as gripping, holding, and placing objects. You are looking at a unique industrial robotic manipulator named Torobo GTC, developed by the Japanese company Tokyo Robotics to automate warehouse operations, particularly in handling shoeboxes and other packaged goods. Torobo GTC is equipped with a robotic arm featuring 6 to 7 degrees of freedom, allowing it to precisely and carefully pick up, move, and stack boxes in various positions. It uses precision servo motors, ensuring smooth movements and accurate gripping. The built-in RGBD camera and LiDAR enable the robot to analyze scene depth and accurately determine the position of boxes, even when stacked in multiple layers. Artificial intelligence algorithms for shape recognition help the robot adapt to different types of packaging and non-standard object arrangements. Thanks to artificial intelligence, computer vision, and advanced mechanics, it significantly increases the speed and efficiency of logistics operations, particularly in e-commerce and retail sectors. Another brilliant development in the construction industry is the robotic paving machine Optimus T11, created by the German company Optimus. It allows for the rapid installation of large areas of paving stones, reducing project completion times and lowering labor costs. Thanks to modern technology, the machine ensures even and tightly packed tile placement, minimizing the need for additional adjustments. Its intuitive controls and ergonomic design make it accessible even for operators with minimal experience. The machine is equipped with a multi-six gripper featuring a 360-degree hydraulic rotator, providing flexibility and maneuverability when laying tiles of various shapes and sizes. This allows it to adapt to different project requirements and ensures high-quality work. Former SpaceX engineer Edward Mayer and his team have created an army of robotic blacksmiths capable of revolutionizing manufacturing. Their company Machina Labs has developed roboforming, a metal forming technology using robots and artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional methods that require expensive molds, these robots instantly adapt and produce parts of any complexity. The core idea is simple. Custom manufacturing should be as accessible as mass production. In the morning, the robots can manufacture automotive parts, and by lunchtime, they can produce aerospace components. This enables manufacturing without massive factories, minimizing costs and development time. Machina Labs opens new possibilities, from rapid prototyping to producing parts in space or on remote bases. These flexible, self-learning robots transform any space into a fully functional forge of the future. Here is the development of the Norwegian company Trysil RMM, a high-tech road marking machine called traffic printer. This advanced system is designed for the automatic application of road signs and symbols directly onto the road surface. Traffic printer is a thermoplastic system mounted on a truck, allowing the operator to select the required symbols from a digital library right from the cabin. The chosen sign is applied to the road within 30 seconds, significantly reducing time and labor costs compared to traditional methods of marking. One of the key advantages of traffic printer is improving worker safety. By automating the process of marking, operators can remain inside the vehicle, reducing their exposure to road traffic and minimizing the risk of accidents. The British have entered the race to develop construction robots by introducing the automatic bricklaying robot, created by engineers at Construction Automation. This innovative machine can independently lay bricks, apply mortar, and build walls with high precision, minimizing the need for manual labor. A BLR utilizes advanced computer vision systems and sensors to accurately position each brick. It operates based on digital architectural plans and is controlled via a tablet, providing full oversight of the construction process. Moreover, the robot automatically generates a progress report, making it not only an efficient, but also a convenient tool for builders. Recently, a BLR was deployed in the construction of a 3-room house in the village of Everingham, Yorkshire, where it managed to lay approximately 10,000 bricks in 2 weeks. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.